We've also now got a contribution from the Big Ideas Initiative, which will give you some more ideas about what you might be able to do in your home and enter a competition.
Hi, I'm Holly. I work for Big Ideas. Thanks so much for having us along today. I'm just here to share with you the Great Exhibition at Home Challenge, which is a project that we are running in collaboration with the Royal Commission for the Exhibition of 1851 and the Royal Academy of Engineering. I'd like to start by showing you a video that we have which might give you a little bit more information about the project.
Welcome to the Great Exhibition at Home Challenge. You're in for a 7-week STEM adventure which will get you all thinking like inventors and engineers. Inspired by the original Great Exhibition held in 1851, students all across the country are going to hold great exhibitions in bedrooms, gardens, kitchens, and even shoeboxes. This year's challenge will address one of the biggest issues we face. How can engineering help protect the planet? It's a big question, and we're going to be tackling it by looking at some intriguing inventions from the original Great Exhibition, as well as the work of young engineers who are working to address climate issues today. Those who hold their own Great Exhibition and submit a 1-minute video by the end of July will be in with a chance of winning some fantastic prizes, including up to £500 to supersize STEM subjects at your school, as well as the chance to have a video chat with one of the inspiring engineers you'll learn more about very soon. Head to www.big-ideas.org/join1851.
Hopefully that's given you more of an idea of what the project is all about. It's a really fun mix of students learning about historical 1850 wonders from the original Great Exhibition and putting it into their own future thinking for inventions today. One of my favourite inventions is the alarm bed, which is invented by R.W. Savage, and this is a really cool invention that tips the user out of bed at any given time that they like. It was said that in the original Great Exhibition, this bed would tip anybody in it into a bucket of cold water, which luckily didn't happen, otherwise I think you would have had some soggy visitors to the Great Exhibition. We actually have a challenge associated with this, where students are encouraged to design their own gadget to help them be more eco-friendly. Do you have an exciting idea for this? Maybe you could enter it into our competition. Alongside these amazing 1850 wonders, students also learn about inspiring engineers from today. I'd like to tell you about a couple of the engineers that we've been working with, starting with Lawrence. Lawrence Kemble Cook is an engineer who has designed a brand new way of storing kinetic energy. Kinetic energy just means energy from things that move. Lawrence's invention, PaveGen, stores the energy from footsteps and can be used to power so many things, from office buildings to football pitches. Lawrence's way of storing energy is really important because a lot of energy that we use at the minute comes from things that can't be reused, like fossil fuels, for example. It's really important, thinking towards the future, that we can use sustainable and exciting forms of storing energy, just like Lawrence. Another one of our inspiring engineers is Millie. Millie is a civil engineer who works in a water engineering team at a company called Arup. Millie helps to manage flood risks for communities who live in areas that are prone to flooding. She helps to do things like design drainage systems that can move water away from houses that are in areas of high flooding or heavy rain. Millie works with nature. Her designs try to leave as little impact on the environment as possible. You can learn a lot more about these brilliant innovators and all 6 of our inspiring engineers by downloading our free Great Exhibition at Home resource pack. You can do this by going to our website, big-ideas.org/join1851. Now, it's all well and good me telling you about the fantastic things that you can do with the Great Exhibition at Home project, but why don't we just see for ourselves? Let's have a look at a video from Tess. Tess is 10 years old, she lives in London, and this is her testing her flood-proof house.
Hello Amy, this is my house. I decided to make it out of Lego because I thought that would be more secure, and I'm just going to fill the bath and see what happens. This time I'm going to test to see if it works when there's a huge tidal wave coming towards the house. hope it works.
Good luck.
Hooray!
Wasn't that great? Thanks so much, Tess, for sending that in. If you like the sound of this challenge, then why don't you take part in the Great Exhibition at Home competition? It runs until July and you can win some amazing STEM prizes for your school. We also have 30 individual prizes to give away too. Our project ambassador Fran is here and she would like to tell you a little bit more about how you can enter.
Welcome! The moment you've all been waiting for has finally arrived. Now it is time for, drumroll please, your Great Exhibition at Home. Starting from now, you've got 6 weeks to hold your own Great Exhibition and submit your 1-minute challenge video. Now don't forget, your exhibition should look to answer the question, how can engineering help protect the planet? Now throughout those 6 weeks, I'm going to be posting videos that include my favourite Fran's facts about the Great Exhibition, and I'm going to be giving you top tips on how to create your own. So do keep your eyes peeled, but in the meantime, are you ready? Are you steady? Go!
Well, I think that's everything from me. Thank you so much for having us along to talk about the competition. We really look forward to seeing some of your amazing entries soon.